For centuries, trees were seen as silent, solitary beings, rooted in place, competing for sunlight, water, and nutrients. But modern science has revealed a fascinating truth. Forests are alive with communication. Trees don't just grow side by side, they talk, share, warn, and support one another through complex biological networks. This hidden conversation is reshaping how we understand nature, cooperation, and life itself. The primary way trees communicate is through an underground system, often called the wood wide web. Beneath the forest floor lies a vast network of fungi known as mycorrhizal fungi, which connect to tree roots. These fungi act like natural fiber optic cables linking different trees, sometimes even different species, into one massive living network. Through this system, trees exchange nutrients such as carbon, nitrogen, and phosphorus. A strong, healthy tree may send food to a younger or shaded tree struggling to survive. In this way, forests behave less like competitive battlegrounds and more like cooperative communities. Communication doesn't stop at sharing food. Trees also use this network to send warning signals. When a tree is attacked by insects or damaged, it releases chemical distress signals through its roots and fungal partners. Nearby trees receive the message and respond by boosting their own defenses, producing bitter chemicals or toxins in their leaves that make them less appealing to insects. This early warning system helps entire forest sections survive threats that could otherwise spread rapidly. Trees also communicate above ground using the air as a messenger. When leaves are chewed by insects, trees release volatile organic compounds, VOCs, invisible chemical signals that drift through the air. Neighboring trees smell these signals and prepare their defenses even before the insects reach them. Some of these airborne messages can even attract predators of the attacking insects, turning the forest into a self-regulating ecosystem. One of the most remarkable discoveries is the role of mother trees. These are large old trees that act as central hubs in the forest network. Mother trees recognize their own seedlings and prioritize sending them nutrients and support. They help young trees establish roots, grow stronger, and survive harsh conditions. When a mother tree is dying, it may even transfer a final burst of nutrients to the next generation, ensuring continuity of the forest. This communication system also helps forests respond to environmental stress. During droughts, connected trees can redistribute water and nutrients to balance survival. In shaded areas, taller trees may share carbon with smaller ones that cannot photosynthesize as efficiently. This cooperation increases the resilience of the entire ecosystem, making forests more resistant to climate change, disease, and natural disasters. What makes this discovery so powerful is what it teaches us beyond biology. Trees show that connection is strength. They thrive not by isolation, but by sharing resources, information, and support. The forest survives because its members are linked, aware, and responsive to one another. Understanding how trees communicate changes how we see nature. Cutting down a forest isn't just removing individual trees, it's destroying a living network, a community with memory, relationships, and intelligence built over centuries. Protecting forests means preserving these invisible conversations that sustain life on Earth. So the next time you walk through a forest, remember, beneath your feet and above your head, a silent dialogue is unfolding. Trees are listening, trees are responding, and together they are keeping the forest alive. If this hidden world of nature amazed you, like the video, share it with others, and subscribe to the channel for more science stories that reveal how incredible our universe truly is.